Thanks for joining us. I'm Staff Sergeant Mike Larman. Joint Interagency Task Force West specializes in combating drug-related crime across nations in the Asia-Pacific region. Senior Airman Michael Connors reports on their latest mission, developing skills of the Philippine National Police Maritime Group and Coast Guard in Exercise Piston 16-1.
The Integrated Maritime Skills Team teaches basic tactical skills to 25 to 30 students using a flexible approach, applying appropriate training topics to specific conditions, environment, equipment, unit capability, and JIATF West goals.
So hopefully they'll be able to employ these skills to go out beyond their comfort zones and beyond their normal geographical regions to work into counter-drug and counter-terrorism operations outside of their normal AORs. GM1 Nick Martin, the Integrated Maritime Skills Training Team leading petty officer, stationed with Joint Interagency Task Force West out of Honolulu, Hawaii, and originally from Wolcottville, Indiana. Our training missions really help to develop the navigational skills for the maritime security teams they have assigned to the Philippine police departments. Seeing the students develop from when we first come into the class to when they graduate and their progression is really the biggest thing for me.
My name is Seika Gray. I'm an instructor for JIATF West, which is stationed out of Honolulu, Hawaii. I'm originally from the island of Oahu in Hawaii, and I'm stationed at home. Trying to make them well-rounded and help them do their job a lot easier. If they need those skills, they can use it, and it's there available for them in the time of need. I like doing this because especially I like to travel a lot. Being from Hawaii, it's a mixing pot of different types of nationalities and cultures. Me being part Filipino, I'm glad to be here and I'm enjoying it.
Piston 16-1 will take place over a 2-week period on the Palawan Islands in the Philippines, improving the interdiction skills of the Filipino mariners. Joint Interagency Task Force, or JIATF West's mission during the exercise is to develop the Philippine National Police Maritime Group and Philippine Coast Guard's interdiction skills for counter-narcotics, smuggling, and human trafficking.
This kind of training will really improve our interoperability with other agencies involved in the security of the region.
The hands-on exercises incorporating practical skills taught in the classroom improves the readiness of both armed forces.
It's necessary out here, being that if there's like a search and rescue case or a law enforcement situation, they got the skills and capabilities where they can do the job safely and safely where they can get back home after the job is completed.
When the course started, the nearly 30 Philippine service members knew only the basics, but by the time they finished, they fully grasped everything.
Not only taking the knowledge on board, but really ran with it and developed their own programs to help not only the class currently, but our student instructors they can take down to their home ports and teach their students as well.
The instructors are reservists, combining a perfect mix of civilian law enforcement and engineering, and military small boat and boarding team experience to provide expert instruction.
Everything, all that had been taught here is important, and we're looking forward to participating in more trainings, because we really need this training.
This training is over, but our partnership between JIATF West and the PNP and the PCG is enduring, and that will last much longer than just this training course.
Senior Airman Michael Connors, Honda Bay, Philippines.